This is Big Rob again, and I'm back. And today, I want to talk about bonding wire and how in the field, bonding wire is very important, especially for you new electricians. You get in the field, and sometimes you don't understand the techniques of bonding wire. And I want to talk about the lineman. The lineman is an electrician's tool. You ever notice that on the lineman's tool, it has like rubber coating on the handles. This is so electrician, when he works in a box, he won't get shocked. And these linemen are really designed for electrician to work in very different areas and work on electricity when it's hot. So you can grab the electrician, you can bond it. But one of the things I want to teach today is about bonding wire and how we, in the box, especially when you're doing switches, you have to bond the copper, which is the ground wire. And the technique that I teach most of my students is when you grab the wire, hold your hand real tight. And this is your control hand. So you just grab the wire and you begin to bond it. So sometimes if you have more than one switch, you may have to bond 3 different grounds together. So say if I was doing that, and then I wanted to go back and I wanted to bond. So I have already bonded 2 grounds, right? And I wanted to bond the 3rd one. So I would just hold this hand secure. This hand could not move. And then I would just grab it, and I would use my linemen to bond it. Now, if you look, I'm bonding these wires together, and it's coming out real neat. So I'm gonna bring it up a little closer. You see how neat that is? Now these would be considered 3 ground wires, even though I'm using different color wires. Now if I wanted to take the 4th one, because I had a 4th switch in the box, I would just grab it. Look how tight I'm holding my hand, because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, you'll have your linemen in your left hand, and you'll have the wire in your right hand. And I would just grab it, and watch how I'm bonding the wire together. See, I'm bonding it, and I'm not moving it. So then any access, I would just cut it so I could put my wire nut on it. And you see how I bonded all 4 wires together? This is something that you need to know in the field, because what I've been noticing that I've been watching young electricians, and they don't hold a wire and they're bonding it with one hand because the wire's coming out the box and it looks a mess. There's no neatness, no nothing about it. And I always tell my students, 110.12 talks about everything we do in the electrical field. 110.12 is a code in the NEC book. It says that everything that we do has to be done in a professional-like manner. And if you're going to work in this field or any trade field, you have to work in a professional-like manner. Once again, this is Big Rob. If you know, you'll grow. Peace.